Hello from beautiful Paphos Cyprus. Today the date, it's what is it today? September 11th 2023. The time is 4:19 in the evening. The temperature at the car right now says 31 degrees. We're supposed to get some yellow warnings for flooding and too much rain. Well, I don't see any rain or any temperature drop. Still hot. I don't know where they got the warnings from, but it was last night. It was a little bit of rain towards the Kaligoullas area, and also on the highway before Nicosia. But in Nicosia, the area I live, it was not even a single drop of rain, and it was very hot. So just some sudden rain, but nothing big deal. And there was yellow warnings from Monday, from today, for flooding. You can see it's 31 degrees, very hot. The sky is almost 100% clear. For sure, I'm not getting any rain today at least. Hopefully we'll get some rain soon, because it's been hot summer already, very hot summer. So we want some rain for the weather to cool down a little bit. At least for the locals, we wish for some rain. Of course, the tourists, they love the sun and the hot weather, but the locals like me, we get tired sometimes of the too much hot weather. Let's see if I can drive straight. Still road works going on. The season, they start before the season. The season, it's almost finished. It's already finished. The season just September now, middle of September. But the road works are still going on, unfortunately. Is in Bar Street, busy on the night, nothing of course on the daytime. let's take a different route. We'll go straight to the Rapino Street and to Pano Paphos. We'll go right from here to Pano Paphos. Usually big traffic on this uphill. There's traffic lights ahead of Kennedy Square. This car in front of me, Nissan Serena, it's the same model of car I was driving in Georgia up to the mountains. I was thinking like this car reminds me something. I drove with this car with my wife's cousin's sister, father, my father, and the kids like 8-9 people in the car. I drove from the one village from Borzomi to the Vargia, like around 130 kilometers away, and then back. And also in Vargia, I drove through the mountains, through a bad road, some stony road, uphill to go to these caves they have on the mountain. What's the name of area? Kokosheni caves. Okay, so this is Pano Paphos, K Square. Most of you who watch my videos, for sure you know this area. This is the old police station on the left. Oops. She just blocked my road way. On the left it's the first high Lyceum of Paphos, Lyceum schools. Here on the left it's the main CYTA telecommunication station.